Hey guys, how are you? Once again, this is Lorraine from Be.You.Nique. And so there's this guy that I really like. He's very funny, okay? And is actually, he goes by the name of Sons of Arkham. And, well, if you don't know who that is, let's go into this video and you will see. And I hope that this video is as funny as his other videos. So let's have a good laugh with me, okay?
Yeah. Jesus is Lord. Amen. Got a video here? Yeah, right here. This video right here. Jesus Christ is Lord. Amen. All right, thank you.
Okay.
What's up, guys? I am super excited about the Black Ops 3 release. I got here to the line, and looks like we're probably already about 15 deep. Where's the end of the line? This side or this side? For the
What?
Black Ops release? Black Ops 3?
Aren't those homeless people?
Is this the line for the game? No. Oh, it's not the line? This is the end of the line?
It's crazy.
Okay, so I was at the wrong... What are you guys in line for? Oh, you're not in line? Oh. Sorry, guys, that's for the video game. Okay, so this is not for the video game. So, Star Wars? Over there. And so that was like...
Aren't those homeless? Aren't those homeless people?
Oh, don't you want to be in my
Or
office?
what the hell are you doing homeless with a
What was
baby
that? What was that?
on the street?
Oh,
Like,
man.
oh.
Do you know why God put like
Anywho, let's see what's
the
going
butthole
on.
and the vagina so close to each other? So you can carry a girl home like a six-pack.
What the hell?
Get the fuck away from me, blood. If you don't step
Whoa.
up, blood.
It's for my PO.
Stop me, I don't give a fuck about you. Wherever you're lying about.
What?
Fucking crazy spider ass away from me, bitch.
What are you talking about? That's crazy. Man, you gonna throw a rock at me?
What the hell is her problem?
Whoa.
Fucking stop.
What about him? What are you doing?
What the hell is her problem? He needs to get away from that crazy witch.
Stop.
Whoa. I thought you needed help changing your tire. Hey guys, I'm back here doing these vlogs, and my sister here, she's being shy right now, but it was her first night working, and she got a lot of stuff done. She took a couple loads to the face, but hey, money's money, I guess. And
Okay, well, there's still hope. You haven't done nothing with a man, at least.
yeah,
not a
but
person.
I think they see it as the same. I seriously, I don't, I'm sorry. This is it. I'm sorry. I mean, you guys have known, but now that my parents... I'm sorry.
Is he serious?
You gotta relax.
The lady look like she needs help herself. You need to stop. That poor lady look like she needs help herself.
Sir,
I don't know what to do.
you gotta calm down. Do it.
I,
You have kids?
I do.
Why would you be able to separate yourself from your kids?
They're really not that cool kids. They're cool kids, though. So, I mean, they're little bastards.
Okay, so this one wasn't as funny as his other videos. I guess the people in this one just sucked. But the last part was funny though, crying on that lady's shoulder. OMG. I couldn't do that. Like the things that I see him do, like I couldn't, like I don't even want to talk to people. much less sit there crying on somebody's shoulders. Are you serious? Oh, these people nowadays are so horrible. They probably clock you over the head with something. I mean, if I'm gonna prank someone, it better be like people that I know or something. But to prank strangers, like humans are so unpredictable. And I'm not trying to get hurt because, trust me, if I'm trying to be nice or, and somebody like came at me the way how, people would go, I don't know how I would react. I would have absolutely no behavior. Like, none at all. You would think I had no home training. Like, don't come at me a certain way. Because I sure, you would think I was raised with wolves or something because, like, no, I don't play with people like that. But I mean, I enjoy the prank videos and whatnot, but I don't think I could do it. I don't. But anyways, that's enough of my time, guys. Hit the thumbs up video, and comment, share, subscribe, and like I always say at the end of my videos, look, my video does not just entails reaction videos. I do hauls as well. I do have a relationship segment. I haven't done anything with that yet. But I will be coming with some good stuff. So stay tuned for that. Okay.